Hey guys, what's up? How are you? Welcome back to another video about XRP Ripple coin. What's going on in XRP Ripple coin? What's the price changes occur in XRP? Let me show you guys. But you know what guys, click the subscribe button now for more updates and news videos about XRP Ripple coin. XRP is the fastest moving cryptocurrencies in the market. And 1.26 cent is the right now price of XRP Ripple coin. So guys, you know what guys, in the 90s, especially in the August month, I saw every coin is in positive mode. Not only Cardano, XRP, Shiba Inu is not good, but a lot of coin I found positive. So same like that, XRP is one of them. That 1.26 cent is the price of XRP in the August. And guys, possibilities that XRP also going to hit a $2 at the last of August. Now 9 days remaining in August. So guys, possibilities that they hit a $2. Other side guys, if you look the price chart, so everything is clear from this price chart that really a massive change is occurred by the XRP Ripple coin. That's really a good jump of XRP Ripple coin. I really appreciate it. And if these kind of changes continue in XRP Ripple coin, so very soon XRP will going to hit a $5 at the last of 2021. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like. Click the subscribe button now for more updates and news.